guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make an orange loaf cake. We're going to start off with a large bowl and we're going to add 2 room temp eggs and also 120 grams of brown sugar. We're going to whisk those until it comes fluffy and together. Now that is all whisked, combined and lighter and a bit fluffier, we are now going to add in the butter. So we have 150 grams of melted butter that we're going to add in. I'm going to give that a quick whisk. We're also going to add in 200 grams of orange juice, which we have right here. I just use freshly squeezed orange juice. You can use store-bought orange juice. I've also got half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're also going to add in the zest as well. So we've got 1 whole zest of 1 orange here. You can choose to add more or as little as you like. So we're just going to whisk all that, and now it's combined. Now that that's all combined, we're going to mix the dry ingredients now. We've got our dry ingredients here. So we have 250 grams of sifted all-purpose flour. We're also going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder and just a pinch of salt. Now we're going to whisk that to make sure that our baking powder is thoroughly combined into that flour. So now we've got that done, we're going to grab our wet ingredients again. So we've got our wet ingredients here again. We're just going to give that another quick mix. Now we've got that mix, we're going to slowly add our wet ingredients and mix. We'll add a bit at a time. So now that that's all mixed, we're going to grab our loaf tin that I've just lined with baking paper. I'm going to pour that in there. Now all that mixture's in there, we're just going to smooth it out. And we're going to place this in the oven at 170 Celsius for around 40 minutes. The time can vary depending on the type of your oven, so I'd keep an eye on around the half an hour mark. 40 minutes are up. We're going to take this out of the oven. Just let it cool here. Now we're going to make the syrup. Okay, so our cake loaf is out of the oven. So now we're going to make the orange syrup. So for this, you'll need 130 ml of orange juice. I've done freshly squeezed. There is a bit of pulp in there. 30 grams of caster sugar. And 1 tablespoon of orange zest. You can choose to skip that if you like. I just like that on there. So now we're just gonna heat this up until it thickens. Now that's boiling, we're going to add a tablespoon of corn starch or corn flour. I'm just going to whisk that in. That boiled, now I've just turned it off. And that's all done. That's so simple and easy. So I've got the cake that's partly cooled down and the glaze here. Now we're just going to pour that over it. And we're going to let that absorb now. Also just going to add a dust of icing sugar into this. And it's done. Allow to cool and serve. This is how moist it is. Delicious.